Hey there, how's it going? Jeff Lerner here, and in this video, we're gonna show you 4 ways to start making money from home. If you're like most people these days, you are probably looking online for the best and newest opportunities. One thing we know is the digital space is growing rapidly, especially right now because it is recession-proof and easy to work from home. Before we get started, go ahead and tap the like button for me and make sure you subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and make sure you join us here on this channel to always be informed of upcoming ways to create the life you love by leveraging things like the internet. Okay, so let's get into the video. The internet is the great equalizer. In business specifically, it has leveled the playing field, and anyone can start a money-making online business, at least anyone with a computer. But here's the thing, virtually no technical experience is needed. Today, there are plenty of tools you can use to build an online business that makes the technical work so much easier than it was in the past. And you can also live anywhere you want. You can set your own schedule and work as little or as much as you want, depending on how fast or how big you want your business to grow. No business or marketing experience is needed either. It is truly a democratic world we live in now for entrepreneurship. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you can do is drop shipping. Now, the basic idea behind an online drop shipping business is that as a small business owner, you're not gonna have to maintain inventory. You're not gonna handle the fulfillment or the customer service. And this eliminates the financial cost and the risk of having to have a warehouse full of products that may or may not sell, and the hassle of having to deal with the shipping and the logistics to send the orders out all over the country or the world. In fact, you don't have to manufacture or store any products at all. The only thing you have to focus on in a dropshipping business is marketing and advertising to find the customers and make the sales. Once the sale is made, the rest is handled by other people. And your only cost is the expense of marketing and advertising to acquire a new customer. Now, once that's done, you'll work with a company that specializes in drop shipping. So here's how this works. You list products for sale on your website or on a third-party platform like Amazon or with Shopify. And then when one of your customers makes a purchase, you purchase the product from the third-party company, which is the drop shipper. It's usually the manufacturer or maybe a wholesaler for a lower price than what you sold it for. And this process is as simple as forwarding the order from your customer, which is a process that can be completely automated. And therefore you have no risk here because you're not buying any inventory before you've already sold it. The sale has already been made and you've already locked in your profit. And so then your drop shipper will physically send the product to the customer. Easy enough, right? It is. And the good news is that you can learn the marketing skills really easily. The next way to build a business online is called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is one of my near and dear passions. In fact, when I was completely broke all the way back in 2008, I went from having a huge debt of almost $500,000 to being able to pay off all that debt and get started on the road to generating a lot of income within just an 18-month period. And affiliate marketing is somewhat similar to drop shipping, but it has some key differences. So with this online model, you don't have to maintain an inventory of your own products, just like with drop shipping, and you don't have to worry about shipping products to customers, also just like drop shipping. Basically, you just pick a profitable niche for your online business, and then you find an affiliate partner who has products available in that niche. And some of the most popular affiliate sites are sites like clickbank.com, amazon.com, which I'm sure you've heard of, but you might not realize that every one of their products just about you can also resell as an affiliate. And you can also check out CJ Affiliate by Conversant, which used to be called Commission Junction. Between these sites, they offer just about any digital information products like an ebook, audio files, video files, courses, you name it, or physical products, virtually anything you can think of. And many big name companies like Walmart, Home Depot, Target, Best Buy, they run their affiliate programs through these third-party affiliate sites. So you can really become an affiliate for almost anything. In fact, most people don't realize, but over 80% of the brands online have affiliate programs. And with affiliate marketing, you can offer these products for sale, for example, on your blog or even on your own e-commerce website. And each product has a unique link that tracks back to your account with your affiliate partner. And that way, when a prospect clicks on the link, they're taken to your partner's shopping cart to check out. Then when they buy, that purchase is recorded and you receive a commission. It's basically like getting paid for referrals. And the commission amounts vary depending on the affiliate partner, but it's generally anywhere from 5% to 25%, or with digital products, sometimes as much as 50% or more. And as you can see with this model, there's very little risk on your part and virtually no investment required either. Just like with dropshipping, your only costs will be the marketing and the advertising to drive traffic and generate the sale. Now, the key difference between this and dropshipping is that this business model is even more hands-off. All you have to do is provide the link for the customer to click on, and the merchant handles everything else: billing, order fulfillment, customer service, customer support, back-end, upsells, downsells, everything. You don't have to do anything but provide the link. You just handle the marketing to get the prospects, and you can use social media, you can use email marketing, you can use blogging, you can make videos, even right here on YouTube, whatever method you choose. But then once somebody clicks the affiliate link, it's completely out of your hands. And the third online business is blogging. And this is a great one, obviously, if you like to write or you have a specific expertise or passion for a subject and you're ready to use that to start making money. So with a service like Blogger or the free installation of something like WordPress, you can set up your blog completely free. You can create your own website and get your own hosting. Hosting's very inexpensive. And generally, that's the route that I recommend. Frankly, a lot of free blogging sites have restrictions and you don't have total control over what you can say or do, including how you can make money or what types of advertising you can offer or do for yourself. Now, you may think that blogging is all about writing, and certainly it can be if that's what you want to do, but written blog posts are just the start. You can post photos, you can post videos, you can post links to other sites, you can even repost what they call curation, where you curate other articles, news items, current events, anything you want to even just repost counts. Basically, anything is fair game as long as it relates to your niche. The key is that you want to post as much original content as possible that is useful to your target audience, and you want to post on a regular basis. That is the best way to get ranked in the search engines where you get free traffic, and also to get your audience to be coming back for more and to consistently take action when they do. What sort of content should you provide? Well, anything that is engaging to your prospect. So that means how-to topics, top 10 lists, commentary on trends inside your niche, tips and tricks articles like shortcuts and hacks. Basically, you just need to provide useful content, and there's no shortage of ideas for your blog. And with a blog, you make money in a variety of ways. So have you ever been to a website and seen an ad on it? Well, chances are it was an ad being run through, definitely through a display advertising network, and probably the Google advertising network. These are called pay-per-click ads that appear on your blog or on other people's blogs. And every time somebody clicks on one of those ads, which should theoretically be about a subject related to your niche, you're gonna make a few cents or more. And it's just a small amount each time, but it adds up. And this is completely automated, totally hands-free income. You just have to get a code from Google, place it on your website, and the ads will automatically appear on your blog, and they'll even automatically be relevant to whatever your blog is about. Google only shows ads that are relevant to your blog. So it's a great experience for your visitors. They're not, if they're coming to read about fashion, they're not being shown ads about, hunting and fishing. And this way it maximizes the number of clicks you get, which means more income. You can also work with blog ad networks that go beyond Google. These are sites like Blog Ads, and actually run banner ads on your blog. And these are similar to the Google ads, or what's called Google AdSense. You just place the code once on your website, and when your visitors click on the ads, you get paid. And in addition to the banner ads, you can also even run video ads on your website. Now, in many cases, you can make more money with blog ad networks, but they tend to only work with blogs that are getting tens of thousands of visitors a month, as opposed to Google ads, where you can start right away, regardless of how much traffic you get. Okay, now let's talk about affiliate marketing on your blog. You already know about affiliate marketing, where you include links to products that you're promoting as an affiliate, and then every time somebody buys the product, you get a commission. But with a blog, you can integrate advertising with content, which makes it more likely to get the sale. For example, you could do a product review, which is really useful content, but then underneath the review, you include a link to buy the product with an affiliate link. Here are a few successful blogging tips to make sure people can find your blog and that they will keep coming back when they do. Now, this is key to building a following and making your blog into a profitable venture. First, you need to provide useful content in an engaging way. Second, you have to post content on a regular basis. And third, you have to be genuine. It's really important with blogging that it feels like an actual, interesting, real-life person is creating the content. And the fourth online business model is online video. Now, have you watched a YouTube video lately? Trick question, obviously. Of course you have. This is one of the world's most popular websites with more than 1 billion users watching hundreds of millions of hours of video, hundreds of millions of hours every single day. And it is not all cats doing funny things and skateboard tricks and ice bucket challenges. You can leverage YouTube's reach, frankly, just as I have, to make money online talking about almost anything. And no, you're not trying to create a viral video, although certainly if it does go viral and get seen by millions of people, that's not so bad. But instead, what you're really focused on is following a proven strategy for maximizing views of multiple videos on a regular basis. And you do this by creating useful content, something engaging that people want to watch. And it works across many, many different niches. It could be a how-to video, kind of like a lot of mine are, or a talking head video, which is what you call this, but anything on a topic of interest for the people in your niche. It is like impossible to run out of ideas for YouTube channels and YouTube content. Truly, the sky's the limit. And the way you make money with that is with ad revenue, among other things. Now, your first step is to create a YouTube account and start uploading videos. Then you want to enable monetization on the YouTube settings inside your channel. And basically, this gives Google the green light, and by the way, Google owns YouTube if you don't know that. This gives Google the green light to start including short AdSense videos within your videos that have them sometimes at the beginning, sometimes in the middle, and sometimes at the end. And if you watch a lot of YouTube videos, you've probably seen those. You might have even seen one of those right here on this video. And when viewers click on those ads, you get paid. And another opportunity to make money with a YouTube channel is through paid sponsorships. Once you build a large enough following, then companies will actually pay you to promote or mention their products and services in your videos. Here are some tips to create professional looking videos. Now, you can use your smartphone or just a simple video camera, but make sure the lighting is good so that everything in your video is clear and easy to see. Secondly, make sure the audio is clear. You don't want the air conditioning running in the background. You don't want construction noise. 51% of video is good audio. It's kind of an important thing to remember. People will tolerate kind of bad video quality. They won't tolerate bad audio quality. Trust me, I've learned this the hard way. Next, you want to use simple editing software like iMovie to put titles at the beginning of the video and to edit out any flubs or excessive clearing of the throat, or if you sneeze. Usually when you're just getting started on video, there's going to be some mistakes, and it is worth it to go back and cut those out. And above all, just remember, your videos can be really, really simple. Take it from me. They don't have to be slick. Just provide useful content and be engaging and interesting. And by the way, it does help to try to be funny, which I struggle with, but I really do try. And to extend the reach of your videos, you can actually repost them on your Facebook business page. I do this. Every single one of my YouTube videos also gets posted on Facebook. You can also post them on Twitter, put them on your blog, put them on any other social channels. Just let people know you're in the video business now. And on all those other social channels, be inviting people to come subscribe to your YouTube channel. Now let's talk about putting it all together. The trick with any online business is to make sure that, first of all, you're in a profitable niche market. So before you start making videos, before you start blogging, before you start doing any of this work, make sure you've picked a niche where there's actually products that sell, and there's people that shop, and there's money to be made. So keep an eye on trends. Check out the bestseller lists on sites like Amazon, and consider what people are talking about on social media. And one thing to keep in mind is you don't have to restrict yourself to just one of these e-commerce opportunities. A lot of them actually work together. So start with something, pick one and start, and just get it going, and then add new revenue streams as you're able. That'll grow your income and ensure that you have something to fall back on in case one business starts going south. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I have a company called Entre, where we are passionate about helping you create a profitable online business. We have a community called Entre Nation of like-minded people who are also working on these skills: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, blogging, video creation, and really everything you can think of online. We have 6, 7, and 8-figure earners in our community that also function as mentors and can offer you support along the way. If you're interested in becoming a part of Entre Nation, make sure to click the link below where you can join our Facebook group. It's totally free to join. And I also have created a video on how to get started with affiliate marketing that you can watch next and you might find really interesting. Okay, so thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for ways to create more money online and also to just build an awesome life in general. Make sure to comment below. I'm always interested in your feedback or questions. I try to respond to every comment and I love hearing feedback. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.